Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. In this short video I would love to show you how easy it is to inspect and replace cabin air filter on the 2006 Honda Civic. And I'm walking around because, as you probably know or suspect, the cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. And if you want to get your hand on that cabin air filter, all you have to do, open this glove box, right? Now on both sides, right here and right here, you have to grab those sides and push them kind of inside. And that will let the glove box continue opening, and you will actually see beautifully right here the cabin air filter housing. There are two tabs on the side, so with both hands I just grab those, right, and push them in. There are even little marks showing you, and that allows you to pull that entire tray out. And look, that means that somebody just replaced it. So that's the bottom, right, and this is the top, and it's a brand new. You will nicely, carefully place it in, and you just push it all the way in. It will click. Did you hear that? And it's secured. You will lift that glove box up, right, and push it, and it nicely clicked, and the glove box is secure. So I can put my manuals back, and I'm done. I'm pretty sure you will agree with me that's super easy and everybody can do it by themselves. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, give it a thumb up. Please subscribe, because I have way more coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.